Do you think we could put a pump together?
I'm not sure about it.
Let's go ask.
Let's go.
Sure. Whether it work or not, who knows, right?
These guys do it, why can't you?
Yeah, you could. You guys?
Yes.
Oh, for sure.
Yes, absolutely.
Anyone can put a pump together. Can you do it right?
We have a question for you.
Okay.
Do you think we could put together a pump?
I think you probably could. We have enough people here with experience. As long as you know lefty, loosey, righty, tighty, and you can read, we should be able to teach you.
I appreciate that. Hello, John. I have like the most serious question you've ever heard.
Answer honestly.
Do you think we could put together a pump? A pump, both of us.
With some guidance, yes.
But was it a no?
No.
But
What would we struggle with the most?
yeah.
Depending on the type of pump, there's always a lot of little tricks just to get the pieces installed. That's the hands-on, somebody that's fought with it before knows. And you can't get that out of a book.
Sanjo, I have a question for you. A really serious question, okay? Do you think we could put together a pump?
Yeah, you could.
I thought you were gonna be like, yeah, right.
You got that much experience. Yeah, small one. You could.
Ah, well, thank you, but oh my God, not one person's doubted us. Do you think we could put together a pump?
I think you guys could. There's like pretty good instructions for a lot of the pumps on the computers. So I mean, if you like went through everything and like followed step by step, that's quite forgivable.
Okay, Willi, we have a serious question for you.
Oh, I'm not sure if I can answer that.
Do you think we could put together a pump?
Be honest.
Of what kind of pump?
What kind of pump do you think we could do and couldn't do?
The best way to learn always is taking pumps apart. It's halfway learning how to put it back together. That's the key.
Do you think we could put together a pump?
We?
Adele and I.
If someone were to show you step by step, I think anyone could put together a pump.
Wow.
Do you think we could put together a pump?
Absolutely. Why not?
Confidence. I thought someone was going to be like, absolutely not, girls.
Sorry. I'm on your side on this one.
Oh, well, I appreciate that.
No problem.
Why so confident in us?
Why not?
Is that easy or?
Why not?
He's going to be so positive. He's just such a positive guy. Richard.
Hi.
Hello. Do you think we could put together a pump?
Anybody can learn, right? Why wouldn't you be able to learn? You'd have to have somebody maybe show you, depending on the pump. Like there's a lot of pumps I haven't done yet.
If somebody else can do it, why can't someone else?
I agree. I truly think we could. I still don't know if it would test well,
I know.
but like it could go together.
But a gear pump, main pump, start with a PVP, work your way into it, wouldn't be an issue after that.
I mean, it lays everything out right there for you. So it's not as hard as it looks most of the time.
I want to strive for the gold cup.
Yeah, we think we
Yeah,
could do
well,
it.
yeah, me too.
Okay.
We could all learn to build the Gold Cup pump.
Let's do it.
Lloyd would teach us.
Perfect.
And Trent.
Willi.
Willi.
And Willi.
master.
And
Willi.
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 It'd be a real cool thing is if another one comes in that you guys will take apart.
That would be fun.
Yes, and then that would help a great deal towards building.
It would probably help a lot of people even on the internet learning. Tell me more about this gear pump you're doing.
Russell started them, there was 2 of them, and I guess they're missing parts, so now I gotta finish them.
Tell me a little bit about this.
It's a test stand we're building to test gear pumps and small piston pumps. It'll be for our own use. It's just an analog, no electronics on it.
Where are we going to put it?
It's
Buffalo?
going to Buffalo, yes.
What are you doing?
Just testing this. PVP 33. It's going to Buffalo, so I gotta get it out. It's pretty standard piston pump. Nothing too exciting about it.
What are you doing? I've never seen that thing before.
Hang material for painting. Let's say a pump or something like that.
Yeah.
This is too weak, which is fairly light. So I'm going to make another one that's quite a bit heavier.
Oh, so does that tool like bend the...
Yeah, what has happened is they're worried that this opens up too much and
Yeah.
it might fall off.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to do something similar to that.
Yeah.
It's thicker. See how thinner this is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Huh. What are you up to?
Building a gear pump.
A gear pump? You never do those.
I do whatever nobody else is here to do.
A great attitude to have.
Now all I have is I'm gluing a tag on a valve.
Oh, what kind of glue do you use?
Loctite
Loctite.
for
Oh, fancy.
But it's light Loctite.
yes.
Instant
Not red.
adhesive.
And when you get it on your skin, it's hard to
skin
come
off.
off. Yes, it's hard. To
All right,
And you
well,
sit there all day doing this.
Yeah.
enjoy. What are you up to?
P6L.
What are you doing with those thingies?
Swapping it out because that one is no good.
That looks a little hard for me, but
This one?
no, like getting these. What are these called again? This.
Chambers.
No, the black thing.
Molded seal.
Yeah, I feel like that. I've watched you roll them in a couple times.
It looks a lot easier than it is.
Exactly. I think I'm the only one that doubts us. I thought all the reactions would have been like, yeah, right, girls.
If you want that kind of reaction, go to Lloyd on a bad day.
We went to him first, and he's like, absolutely, if these fools could do it, you could do it.
There you go. Perfect. That's exactly
Okay.
right.
Jeez.
Thank you.
I just wanted someone like to laugh at us. Okay, maybe I expected people to laugh at us.
Or say no. That we're crazy.
Most serious question for you ever. Do you?
Yeah, okay.
Obviously, we wanted to strive high and
We
do
wanted to do a
that
Gold
for
Cup.
us.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. We asked everybody, and everyone was positive like that.
Every single person. Thanks for the confidence.
Yeah, literally. I thought you were gonna be like laughing and be like, yeah, right. Thank you for the vote of confidence.
No
I
problem.
appreciate it.
I was saying yes, definitely.
Oh,
Thank you.
wow.
Okay.
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 Thank you guys.
Wow. If you could watch us. The face says it all. That would be doubted more.